Hello, Kiran.
Hi.
Hi.
Kiran, could you please turn on the cam?
Hello?
Yeah, sure. Could you please
Yeah,
turn the cam? Yes.
yes. Are you able to see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah,
Thanks
hi.
for joining. Thanks. Wait.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Uh, so, uh, yeah, my name is Rohit. I'll be taking your relevant interview today. Kiran, you can start with your basic introduction about your recent roles and responsibilities and your technology stack. And later in the interview, we'll be discussing the topic like Node.js, Vue.js, and some database schemes which you know. So, you can start with your basic introductions.
Yeah. Coming to myself, this is Karna Kumar Sabapati. I had total around 16 years of experience, a completely full stack developer. So coming to my skill set, I have the skills, basic skills HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap. Along with that, I have the experience on JavaScript frameworks like React, Node, Angular, and Vue. And also I have experience on the backend server side like PHP and MySQL also, and also MongoDB also. This is my complete skill set. And relevant experience in React.js and Node.js. React.js is more than 6 years, and Node.js around 4+ years, and Angular also more than 6 years. So and PHP, MySQL I also have around 5+ years. So this is my skill set. So total and full stack developer with the front end back end skills experience. And coming to the my previous
Okay.
companies, yeah,
Yeah, go on.
yeah. Coming to previous company, I work on Black Knight Financial Solutions. So I work in many domains like banking domains, health domains, financial domains, all these domains. So as coming to my roles and responsibility as a senior developer, so first I need to participate as a development. I need to fix the bugs, and also need to work on some new enhancements also, and also we are following agile
Mhm.
methodology, and we have the client interactions and grooming sessions, and team handling also. So I also have
Mhm.
multiple system also and deployment also. Yeah, this is my overall experience and skills. Yeah.
Okay, good, impressive. If you talk in terms of Node.js, can you tell me the role of queue and event queue?
So what happens? When they actually Node.js is working as single-thread applications. So if we, but it will access the multiple requests. For example, once the request is coming, we take the request and send back to the execution. And again, it's not waiting for the response. Second is going to the next queue, next response. So this is on events. One after the events are happening. Once the callback is calling, again after completion of this event queue, the callback will call. So this is the process, the queue in the handling Node.js. Yeah.
Okay. Uh, do you know how
So
many error codes are there in Node.js?
yeah, so there is actually we have the first callback is there. So once we got the
Mhm.
response, the first of the response, the request handling, once the successfully I got the response, then the second callback is the second argument is the error callback. And if any fail, the error callback will function will call.
Mhm.
This is called as the first callback function in Node.js. Yeah.
Okay. And what are all the exit codes in the Node.js?
Exit code.
Hmm.
Exit code means can I elaborate question?
Yeah. So, what are all the codes which exits the flow of your Node.js? I mean, you can say error codes,
Yeah.
errors. What kind of
Okay.
errors we get?
So error mainly we have different types of error, server error like 500 error and 404 error,
Hmm.
authentication authorized error, and so 500, 404 and something like so many errors, server handling errors and authentication errors and exception errors, something will call. Yeah, this type of errors I will get.
Hmm. Have you heard about uncaught fatal errors, exceptions?
Yeah, so when I call the try captcha, then I will get that one unauthorization, something
Okay,
like that.
okay. Yeah, okay. Have you ever used any middlewares in your Node.js application?
Yeah, so many, for example, before request, so many we are middle ways before sending the getting the request data, and also after
Mm-hmm.
getting the response. So this time I will use the middle ways to validate that request data, and once I get the response, the valid response data. So we have the, and also some HTTP middle ways are there in. So this type of middle ways I use that one. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So Kiran, let's consider a scenario where your application is having a large amount of customer volumes. I mean, the volume is bigger. So, what measures you will take to optimize the performance of your application?
Yeah, to perform to optimize the application, so once I need to stop the iterations. If there is any in the code, we have any multiple loops or multiple iterations, I can use that one. I can decrease that multiple iterations thing, and there is one function the repeating. Then I use the reusability code, and so reusability code, and I can use the memorize functions, cache functions. Like if any functions call twice, when any function call with the same inputs and same, then I will get the outputs of memorize. So memorizing the functions, and so reusability, and decrease, avoiding the memory leaks, and remove the garbage collections. So these type of things I do.
Mhm. Okay. And what measures in infrastructure level?
What infrastructure? You mean?
Yeah, server infrastructure level.
So server is for structure level. I can use the session management thing, cookie management thing. So you're talking about the optimization at the server level, or
Yes, yes.
the server side. So first thing, same thing, the iterations and reusable thing code. I can use the separate routes, and based on that, and the database queries, when I write the queries for the when I get the data from MongoDB, like something that optimizing the queries. So this type of caching the cache things, and avoiding the callback hell, to resolve the callback hell. I can use the promise as I can avoid. So these type of things. Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me the use of child process? I mean, how to create a child process and what is basically significant of a child process in Node.js?
Jail process. I here maybe I forget. I'm getting it. Yeah. I'm not getting. Okay.
Okay, fine, no problem. Do you know why Google uses this V8 engine for Node.js?
Why Google?
Why we use V8 engine for Node.js? Google's V8 engine.
Yeah. See, actually, initially JavaScript is only at the client side. JavaScript works on the browser side only, client side only. So one of the developer think he think why we not the JavaScript at the server side. So he think what are the functionalities done at the server side. Only those type of modules he integrated that engine, that VN engine at the Node.js environment. So like some CPS engine they integrate. Only the server side functions modules like file handling, request response handling. This type of modules are integrated. So we have one node environment there. So there we can write the JavaScript. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let's consider one more scenario that you have three servers.
How? Hello? Sorry. How? Hello? 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 గౌరీ సార్ ఫోన్ నాది గౌరీ నా ఫోన్ వస్తుంది ఫోన్ నాది హలో హలో Hello, 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 hello.
Hello.
Yeah, something is there happening. Yeah, now it's fully
Yeah,
fine.
yeah. Sorry, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So I was telling you like let's take a scenario that there is one code which is running fine in your staging and UAT environment, but somehow it is not working in the production. So what will be your approach to debug this kind of situation?
So generally, all the code base is same at the all the environments. Okay. So if
Mm-hmm.
any issues happen means that means we need to define in the three levels. One is the configuration level, server side configuration. There is any difference between the event side configuration level and web production side configuration. Any difference happen, we need to check that one. And second thing, the code is same or not. The code base is same or not. We need to check. So
Mm-hmm.
these type of things I can check. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. If we talk in terms of front end, so have you worked on Vue.js or what are the front end technologies on which you have worked?
Content, content.
Front end.
Yeah, front end. Sorry, front end. I work on React JS. React JS. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, front end technology. I work on React JS. React JS,
Okay,
Node JS.
React.js.
Yes, yes. React is working.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Uh-huh. So, what are the caching techniques you used in the front end technologies?
Can you
I
repeat
mean,
the question?
if you want to optimize the performance of your front end, what you will do?
The front end performance techniques you are talking about, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
So the one is the reusability of the code. So we can use the reusability of the code, and second one is the memorizing the values. Yeah, so we have some functions use memo, use callback, those type of functions
Hmm.
on React. We can use that one, and one the other one is lazy loading concept there. We can use that one. So and event delegation concept there. I can avoid that one. So this type of techniques I use to optimize the front end. Yeah.
Can you explain more about lazy loading? What is lazy loading?
So lazy loading means we can load the particular module whenever we need. Actually, generally all the required module were imported in the component. So
Hmm.
one unnecessarily that component module code will instances will load. But
Hmm.
the lazy loading concept, whenever we load, then only the instance is created.
Okay. Okay. Can you please share your screen? I've sent you one piece of code in the chat.
Yes. Yeah.
Can you please convert this code into async and await, please?
Okay.
You can use any of your online editor of your choice. Change this code into async and await.
Understand. Yes. Yes. Got my screen, right?
Yeah.
In this way, I can write.
Yeah.
So I wait in a acquisition keyword. So now in
Mhm.
a wait at the function sometime, and then I will go to it will go to next function.
What is that 100?
What is that?
100 you have written
This is a
inside of
time.
it.
Time it will wait to execute to execute that function. It's not. For example, if you not use this wait, it is not
Mhm.
waiting that to complete of that function. It will go to the next function. So
So
asynchronous the
what?
all the it will asynchronous the all the functions will call. So
Mhm.
if you want to make that function into synchronous, I mean that one after the other, or if you wait
Mhm.
something to get the response from that one, then I use the await one. Await something.
Okay. Okay. And which database technology you have used?
I use MySQL and MongoDB. MySQL and
Okay.
yeah, yeah.
Okay. So if you talk in terms of MySQL, can you tell me what are the triggers and why we use the triggers?
So triggers are used. For example, if you execute some query based on the
Hmm.
execution, if you want to do some other queries also you want to execute, then I use the trigger.
Hmm.
Mainly, for example, the banking transaction. For example, if
Hmm.
I want to do one transaction, once I run the transaction query, I need to update the
Hmm.
some records in other database and the other tables. So
Hmm.
then I will take that other process. So simultaneously at the one point. So
Hmm.
for example, let's say I am taking the one order or something. So I need to update that to order subscription time is expired. So the cron job will trigger. So the one next immediately I need to update some multiple table
Hmm.
records.
Hmm.
That's
Hmm.
the way the triggers. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any idea about what is access control list?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. I was saying, what is access control list?
Access or
Access control
as
list.
no, can you any clue? Acid properties or acid that we're talking about?
No, 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 no. Access.
Access controls means
I mean, for example, if in your application, there must be a section which can be accessed only by some admin side.
yeah. So this is like a authentication authorization concept, right?
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So when we log into application, so if you want to if you want to use that application or if you want to participate into that application, first you need to log in.
Hmm.
That means that it will check the authentication. Next, once you log into application, we have some multiple pages in that application. Some pages are accessible only for some roles only. So based on user roles, we are need to do give the access. So then I can use the authorization. So this
Hmm.
authorization concept I can use. So based on the user role, for example, I'm navigating to one page, one component, something. Before navigating, I'll check what is the user role this have. Based on the user role, if it is accessible, the access or not. Otherwise, I will go to the direct to the to the server page or like don't for not for pose like that. Yeah.
Okay. So my last question would be, suppose consider a scenario that you are having one query. After executing that query, your disk storage space in your database is getting full.
Okay. Yeah.
Then,
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah. What will we do for this situation?
So generally, I use the indexing. So I need to do the query optimization. So I need to do the indexing. In MySQL, we have constantly the primary index, primary key is there. So
Mm-hmm.
I need to do the
Mm-hmm.
indexing, and I need to avoid the join queries, multiple join queries, and I need to use
Mm-hmm.
the normalization process. So I can use the stored procedure of use. Yeah, this type of techniques I can yeah to avoid this space. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay, that's it from my side. Do you have any question for me?
So if I selected on which technology and which project I need to work, any idea?
I cannot tell you about the project, but technologies would be
Okay.
Node.js from the
Okay.
backend and Vue at the front end.
Okay. Okay. So we are front end, I need to work on React, right? Or something.
Vue.js,
You just okay, fine. That's yeah. Okay.
and database is Postgres SQL.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine.
That's-
Yeah, that's it from my
Okay.
end. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you. It was nice talking with you, Kiran. Have a nice day. Bye.
Me too. Yeah, I got some the knowledge from this side. Yeah.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.